My hearty welcome to all to this session on access specifiers in Java. Prerequisites. You must have basic understanding on Java class and object, basic understanding on Java package and inheritance, little bit about compilation and execution process to place Java class file within a particular package. However, we are going to see the command used to do so in this session. We do have 4 access specifiers: public, private, protected and default. Before a particular variable, if public keyword is mentioned, the variable is going to be accessed by all classes, whether they are present within the package or outside the package, whether they are subclasses or non-subclasses. If a particular variable is having private keyword, then that means that particular keyword, that particular variable is accessible only within a particular class. Now, a variable is having protected keyword, that means this variable can be accessed by its subclasses whether they are present within the package or outside the package. If no access specifier is mentioned before the variable, that means it is having default access. Now let us see the same concept in pictorial representation. Let me explain little bit about the representation. These rounded rectangular boxes represent different packages, and different pictures that are available within a rounded rectangular box represent different classes. You must also be seeing some pictures which are of same type, but they are different in sizes. They are nothing but parent and child classes. So these two are parent class in one package and its child class is present in another package. Here if you see parent class and its child class present in the same package. And also these two are two different parent and child classes present in different packages. Also you can see another parent and child class present in different packages. Now let us try to understand public variable. A public variable PB is accessible by all the methods that are present within the class, and this is accessible by its child class. It is as well accessible by non-subclass. It is also accessible by its subclass which is present in different package, and by all other classes which are not at all related to this particular class. So public variable can be accessed by any kind of class irrespective of subclass or non-subclass. They are present within the same package or outside the package. Now let us move on to private variable. Private variable, here PV represents private variable. If you see the representation here, it is only accessible by the different methods that are available within a particular class. It is not accessible by its subclass. It is not accessible by any other class which is present in same package, which it is not accessible by subclass which is present in different package, and this is also not accessible by different classes which are unrelated present in different packages. Now let us move on to protected variable. Here PT represents a protected variable. This can be accessible by the methods present within the class, and it is also accessible by its child class within the same package. It is also accessible by non-subclass, and it is also accessible by a subclass which is present in another package. If you observe, protected variable is not accessible by a class which is unrelated and present in different package. Let us see default variable behavior. Here df represents a default variable. It is accessible by methods present in same class. It is accessible by child class. It is also accessible by non-subclass present within the same package. However, default variable is not accessible by any of the classes which are present in outside the package. Even it is not accessible by its own child class if it is present in outside the package. Now, pause the video for some time and answer the following. What is the difference between public and default? Difference between default and protected. Now let us see the answers. Default is same as public. However, within the same package, all classes within the same package, irrespective of subclass or not, can access default variable. Difference between default and protected. Child class present in different package cannot access default variable, whereas it can access protected variable. Hope you are clear with different access specifiers. Now, let us see behavior of protected variable in the context of inheritance. Here we do have three different classes: class 1, class 2 and class 3. Class 1 is parent class to class 2 and class 2 is parent class to class 3. And all these three classes are present within the same package. Now, PT is a protected variable present in class 1. When it comes to child class, protected variable becomes default variable. So, default variable can be accessed by its child class if it is present in same package. This is clear to us in earlier slide. So, protected variable is accessible to its subclass through its parent class. Now, let us see different situation. Here, same three classes are present in different packages. Class 1 is in separate package, class 2 is in separate package and class 3 in different package altogether. The protected variable of class 1 becomes default variable that we understood in previous slide. Now, this default variable cannot be accessed by its subclass because it is present in different package. This is also clear to us in the context of default variable. So, in this case, the protected variable present in class 1 cannot be accessed by class 3. Now let us see demonstration of this particular concept. Class A, class B and class C are three different classes present in same package, and all three different classes are related in parent-child relationship. Class A is parent to class B, class B is parent to class C. Here we are accessing variable A which is having protected access in class C through the object obj1. If you observe, obj1 is of type class B. What is the output of this program? Let us see. Class C is able to access value of variable A in class A, which is nothing but 10. Let us now see the code for different packages. Here, class A is present in package P1. Class B is present in package P2. However, class A is also imported here through the command import p1.a. Now, class 3 is present in package P3 and class B is imported here because we are using obj1 of class B. and we are trying to print value of a through obj1. Let us see what is the output here. We are getting an error here. See, the error says variable a has protected access in class A. Let us see here. Variable a in class A is protected. When it comes to class B, it becomes default. And default variable in class B cannot be accessed by class C because it is present in different package. Hope you understood this concept. A protected variable becomes default variable when it comes to its child class. So, it can be accessed only if subclass is present within the same package. Outside the packages, they cannot be accessed. Hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you so much for your time.